Alright guys, for whatever reason I'm the roof tape critic. It says factory installed roof tape. I'll grant you this is the better metal back stuff with a tar, and this is the original stuff, and look, it's failing. So Monaco installed this stuff. If we go to the front cap here, you can see it's failing again right there. And this stuff's even worse than the gray adhesive putty to come off, because this stuff smears when you clean it because it's tar. But you can see it's nice, pretty coating on it. Let go. This is that TPO. Pretty much the same stuff that's going to be on normally Turnabon. Doesn't handle sun over time. But hey, why not use it? It's the greatest stuff in the world. There we go, some more. Look at it. I'll grant you this probably just fell because people climbing up the ladder always step on it. But I can't say that's really an issue on the sealant right next to it, because that probably gets stepped on a lot more than this or that. Who am I? I guess it's a product for somebody.